The measuring instrument should be heated up for calibration, which is why we recommend switching on the Testo 340 20 minutes beforehand. Also, during the zeroing phase, there must be no interfering gases in the ambient air. First, I select Test Gas in the Fuels menu. In the main menu, I select Sensor Settings and Recalibration. Automatic zeroing is now carried out. Now I select the sensor for the recalibration and enter the required value. In this case, 300 ppm, as indicated on the test gas bottle. I am also asked whether the dilution needs to be zeroed. In this case, I am not calibrating the dilution. The test gas is admitted via the probe tip. Alternatively, the service adapter can also be used. The sensor is now supplied with test gas for 3 minutes. For this, I open the test gas bottle and apply the gas pressureless via a bypass. As soon as the actual value is stable, the value can be saved by pressing OK and the sensor is recalibrated.